Hey everyone, Couch Investor back to another video for today. So let's talk about a couple of aspects with regards to Meta and Mercado Libre that maybe you might have missed and what makes me even more bullish on both those names, especially going into 2023. Of course, both stocks are down quite significantly from their all-time highs. Both stocks also have quite a lot of upside if we can believe what analysts are saying with regards to their price target for the next 6 to 12 months. So we're going to go over all of that in this video. But last week we actually had a surprise little upgrade for Meta. So JP Morgan analyst upgraded Meta platform to overweight from neutral with a price target of $150 up from $115. The shares are down 65% year to date as Meta has been impacted by Apple privacy changes, TikTok competition, Reels headwind, heavy hiring and expense growth, and uncertain build-out of the metaverse and macro pressures. However, heading into 2023, some of the pressures will ease, and most importantly, Meta is showing encouraging signs of increasing cost discipline, with more to come. He believes the stock valuation is now compelling, with the shares trading at 12 times his updated 2024 earnings per share estimate of $9.53. Meta is building the muscle for more sustainable and financial discipline that can help drive further upward earnings revisions, and the risk reward is attractive at current levels. And I agree, I've said this in the past, of course, lots and lots of headwinds for Meta, but as we go into 2023, some of those headwinds might actually turn into a couple of tailwinds, and I think most analysts think the same, otherwise they wouldn't have seen 79% upside from the price it is today. This is on stockcar.io. You can follow my channel's portfolio on it. You can also enter the competition. Still 10 days to go. If you win, you'll get $250. Now, before we talk about the synergies between Meta and Mercado Libre and how this partnership, let's say possible partnership, could help both companies. If you enjoy this type of videos, leave it a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not. I would really appreciate that. If you want to support me and this channel, do check out the link down in the description and in the pinned comment to get the top 10 best stocks to buy now, or go to fool.com/couchinvestor and make sure to check out all the other links in the pinned comment. So the first big aspect I want to talk about, and that's obviously WhatsApp and Meta's messaging apps. So this is what Zuckerberg actually said not so long ago. So he described the pair of messaging apps as being very early in monetizing compared to its advertising juggernauts, Facebook and Instagram. He's talked about this already in a couple of earnings calls as well. We talk a lot about the very long-term opportunities like the metaverse, but the reality is that business messaging is probably going to be the next major pillar of our business as we work to monetize WhatsApp and Messenger more. Which leads us to this article right here in this report on Reuters, Mercado Libre in talks with WhatsApp on business messaging payments. So Pedro Arndt said here that we are in the test phase as one of the partners that process payments in Brazil. Now, we do know that obviously WhatsApp is extremely popular in Brazil. As you can see right here, each and every year, basically WhatsApp has a 99% penetration on mobile, Instagram 82, then Facebook Messenger 71, Telegram 60, and then Signal sits at 12%. Now, what would this mean for Mercado Libre? So the payment tool in Brazil would allow WhatsApp users to find a company's account through a directory service and make in-app transactions with credit or debit cards. This could be an opportunity for us to leverage WhatsApp efficiently to generate more sales and better customer contacts. A bit like, let's say, the super app that they want to build out at Block with now the acquisition of Afterpay. You can view some business there and then, shop and pay in-app. Now, of course, with WhatsApp's reach, the effect here could be huge. Now, I do want to add here that he did not say how advanced the test phase is, nor indicate the potential revenue generation for its financial arm, Mercado Pago. As you know, Mercado Libre, Mercado Pago are extremely big and growing very fast in Latin America. So this would benefit Meta as well as they want to grow and build out the, let's say, WhatsApp business side of things. And basically Zuckerberg says here, the ultimate goal here is to make it so you can find, message and buy from a business all in the same WhatsApp chat. I believe the best, let's say, example of a super app like this is WeChat. Now, the directory we've talked about before was already announced over a year ago, so I'm excited we're starting to pilot a local business directory within WhatsApp. This will help you find and contact local businesses like your neighborhood coffee shop, florist, clothing store, and more. So this was back in 2021. They already started this in Brazil. Again, Brazil, a very, very important market for WhatsApp and for Meta. Now, they did say here that the directory service will be introduced in Indonesia, Mexico, Colombia, and the United Kingdom, as well via WhatsApp's API, which mainly serves large businesses. So imagine the potential here. Go on WhatsApp, you want to message a store, a coffee shop, etc. No problem, pretty easy to do. Now imagine they take it one step further and you can make payments. Even bigger potential. There's also the advertising side of things, not just on WhatsApp, but on Messenger as well. We've talked about that during the last earnings call as well. Messenger, the ads that they run on Facebook, then you click through, you start contacting, and maybe that will drive through sales as well, which is the ultimate goal. So yes, it is true that the messaging apps, the business behind that has huge potential, and we will probably see that potential way sooner than the metaverse potential. Now, what will be the effects for Mercado Pago? We don't know yet, remains to be seen, but Mercado Libre as a business itself, again, this is their stock card. The analysts see a 46% upside in the next 6 to 12 months. The way the company has been performing, as we've covered that on the channel, it is a tremendous business. Even in this current and difficult market, they're still outperforming. Oh, and one last thing, the NBA will return to Mexico for the first time since 2019, and one of the 10 marketing partners that are involved with the NBA Mexico game is Mercado Libre. This will also enable people to buy merchandise from your favorite teams through the Mercado marketplace. So to conclude, there are many reasons why analysts are bullish going forward with regards to both of these companies. We've covered a couple of reasons in this video. We've covered a lot of reasons on this channel. There's a reason also why these two companies are in my top 5 in my portfolio. Of course, there are still risks, especially when it comes to Meta. I believe I just read the report this morning with regards to, again, maybe a fine from the European Union. We'll see what happens there. Antitrust is always a risk to consider. So obviously do share your thoughts down in the comments below. What do you think about both companies going into 2023 and more? Let me know down in the comments below. If you enjoy this type of videos, leave it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, maybe hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye.